Saturday morning, back at our club. See what happens. I jumped Little Run. I got a freezer full of meat, so. Come on here. Truck coming. What? Come on here. What? 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 Come on up. Come on, honey. All right, good morning, you two. Saturday morning, doing it again. I got Hunter and Jackson. We're gonna turn them loose. Woo! Come on here. Huh? Woo! 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 Hit the battery on the back. Okay. Woo! Woo! Looks kind of small.
I'm still watching Brian.
Come on, Mabel. Come on here. Come on here. Come on here. Hey, hey, come on here. Mabel, that's enough. Come on here. Come on here. Ben ain't got no voice today. Come on here. Come on here. Hey. Good girl. Come on. Mabel, I'm not leaving you. Hey. Come up. Come up. Come on here. All right. Head him up. Hey, 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 hey. All right. Head him up. Head him up. All right. Head him up. All right. Head him up. All right. Head him here. Head him here. Head him here. All right. Head him up. Head him in there. Head him in there. Head him in there. All right. Hide him, hide him, hide him. All right. Hide him up, hide him up. All right. Hide him in here. Come on. We ain't eating tracks now. You look for meat. Hey, you gotta look for deer in front of you. Go up. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go right in this corner, I think. Alright. That's Uncle Ben. Be still, be still. Hello. That's, who that? Oh, she killed another? Well, my dog's is right there at you. Oh, okay, okay. What was it? Oh, really? Okay. Well, ain't nothing crossed this field. I'm gonna try and cut off Jackson and Justin. You won't, I will. That's all right. All right, mark it. Hunter's trying to cut them off because I got my gun, but I ain't gonna shoot. Yeah, Hunter got his dog. All right. Okay, all right, bye. Bye. There were cats shooting at that deer. Find him in here. What? Hide him, hide him, hide him. Hide him. Hide him up. Hide him up. What? Get him, poor chap. Get him, poor chap. Rabbit. Poor chap done smelt the rabbit. All right.
Get her, cat.
I'm going to go check it now.
I'm walking out. What is it?
There's a buck.
Good. I think these dogs is trailing now.
Maybe.
He come out that way?
They come out to my right, back towards where we were coming in at.
Okay, that's where these dogs are headed now. I'm walking to you. Just
I think I heard it kind of crashing, so I think I got it. I don't know.
well, just hang tight right there. Give it a minute to kick out. I'm on the way.
Okay.
I'll be there in 2.5 minutes. All right, love, bye.
Hello.
Boy, this boy, he take care of his wife. You know what I mean?
Who that?
Me?
Oh, she killed a nut?
She got it shot. She said she heard it crash once it got in the woods, so I'm walking to her now.
Well, my dog's is right there at you.
Yeah, mine, I think I think they running it.
Oh, okay, okay.
I think.
What was it?
She said a nice buck.
Oh, really? Okay.
Now, I don't know if it's...
Across this field.
Are you in my field?
Yeah, I'm only trying to cut off Jackson.
I got you on camera. We need to put that in.
That's all right.
I'm hitting the button now.
All right.
So Billy heard you say that. All right, I'm walking the cat now. Check her out.
Hunter, you're trying to cut him off, but I got my gun bang. Let's shoot.
Is Hunter got his?
Yeah, Hunter.
Okay, good, good. All right, I'm walking the cat. I'll let you know in a minute.
Okay.
Love, bye. Woo! You ready up? Woo! Get to it, get to it, get to it! Get to it, get to it, get to it, get to it! Get to it, get to it, get to it! Get to it, get to it, get to it! Back. Mabel's on it now. Did I didn't hear it no more. Let them figure this out. Just give it just a minute. Yep. Yep.
Y'all get back. Get him, girls. Get him, girls. Come here, girls. Yeah. Come on. Get him, girls. Get him, girls. No, I got him. I'm on the road. Huh? He's decent, yeah. Come here. Come on. Come here, Suze. Good girl.
Is there a doe pot today?
Nah, didn't nobody do it, I don't think. Everybody going home early.
I saw people handing out 20 bills.
Oh, really? I don't know about that. It might be. I didn't get no dope pot. All right, safety check.
Don't check.
Just doing a little safety check with Hunter, make sure your gun's on safety. You got a young man learning how to hunt. You got to do it the right way. What's wrong?
Sorry, pork chop, gonna scare the shit out of you, boy. Good deal, good dogs, good dogs. Oh shit. Come on, watch out. Come on, pork chop. Come on. Come on here, yeah. All right, last hunt, we took it all morning. We're on a second hunt after lunch. What we call Edge of the Creek. I'm on 3. Never sat this stand before. I've sat down there and seen deer cross down here, so hopefully they will cross on me today. We'll see what happens. I'll turn you out in a minute. Come on here. Me up. What? And come back up to the road. That was Mama. Matt must have killed a big doe.